Hi Logan, hi Riker. Here's Ma and Pa's visit to the bird park in Singapore.
So here we are on the way to the bird park for a fun day out. Look at how green everything is, and you're going past a nice green bus. So here we are at the bird park. Just walking in, we're going to go and get our tickets. There's Pop. Says hello, Grandma says hello. Big waterfall at the bird park. Can you hear the noise? Wow. Here's the waterfall that you saw from down below, from up the top. And here's a nice little panorama of the bird park. And there's Pop. Yeah, we're just walking through to where the bird paradise is. Let's pop up there. It's a bit of a long walk, but it looks beautiful. Nice and green, and they're still building more things. Entrance to the bird paradise. This beautiful building. Just on our way through into the Penguin Cove here at the Singapore Bird Park. Very exciting. Oh, there's Pop with... It's not real kids, but there you go. Oh, Pop having some fun. Look, there he is, swimming. Oh, I don't know. Well, there he goes. Oh, he just jumped out. Oh, wow. They are so beautiful. And out they go. This is the penguins up on land. Very cold in there. And we're entering into the outdoor area of the Birds of Paradise. We're up high now. Lookout centres. There's the expanding of the bird park. So here we are at the Australian Outback section. I hope you can find some birds in here. Some red-tailed black cockatoos. They're sitting on top of some cages. There he goes. And Mr. Kookaburra, I don't know if you can see him, but he's up in the tree, just above me. There we go. It's a beautiful old-fashioned. And can you see in the tree? It's a tawny frogmouth. Very hard to see when you're in the bush, but we managed to catch sight of him here. They do have quite a lot of room inside this netted area. lot. Have a look.
Wood ducks.
Yeah, lots of ducks. And I don't know if you can see the emu in the background there. Now you can see him. He's in the outback Australia. Fancy coming all the way to Singapore for outback Australia. Oh, who's that? You can see photographing the emu. It's Pa. There we go. Australian outback. And I found another emu. He's having his breakfast. There's a tree in the way, but that's okay. Oh, and another one at the back there. You can see him walking along. And some big geese, I think.
Barren geese.
Barren geese, according to Pa. And we have a lovely black and white one just down here. We are at the Wild African Safari Bird Park. This is just the entrance. And there's Pa. Hey! Lots of greenery, lots of space for them to be in. And we have walkways. Not very good for people who don't like heights. But this is very wonderful. And you see the birds just at the back on the rocks. And some down here. As I get closer, you'll be able to see them. There you go, that's a bit better, isn't it? Oh wow, kids, look what we can see. Some flamingos. Bring them forward. There we go. We'll probably see them a bit closer, a bit later when I walk down there. So, they've done such a beautiful job. Here we go. That's got some big wings, haven't they? Very exciting. How close you can get to the birds. Really is amazing. Pink flamingos are feeding. Let's see if I can bring it closer to you. Oh, that's further away and got my fingers. Mind that one. There we go. Look at them eating all the lunch. So many of them. Don't know if you can see them, but there are a lot of little tiny birds. I don't think you can on this. Let's see about if we go wide. No, that's the wrong way. How about here? No, I think this one might be a bit of a dud. Never mind. To go across the suspension bridge that they built inside the bird park. I don't know if you can hear the noises. They're amazing. Lots of little birds in here. And as you can see on this side, you can see that's a nest right in front of you there. And then if I turn around here, you can see lots of little birds flying in amongst the trees. And lots of nests and lots of birds. I thought this was as high as we could get. But guess what? We can actually go higher. So we're going to go up this part of the bridge and then we're going to walk up higher, and then I'll turn the video on again and show you what we can see. But can you see these birds sitting on the side of the bridge? Aren't they beautiful? I wonder how close we can get. My goodness, we can walk right past them and they're not even flying away. Isn't that amazing? Certainly is to me. Catch you in a minute. And another little bird. Is he going to stay there? Hold your breath, kids. Oh, he flew to the side, but I can still see him. There you go. Look at that, how pretty blue he is on the back. Oh, better come down underneath here so we can actually have a really good look at him. There you go. So kids, are you ready? We're going up. We're climbing up. That's where we just were. There we go, a bit higher. See over there? And we're still going up higher. Oh, there's Pop's legs. Ooh. Much higher. Here we are. Oh, that's a high climb. Now we're at the highest point we can be. Whoop. Watch out for incoming birds. Didn't miss Pop by much. So this is what greets you when you get up to the top. The African statues. And then if we walk over here, oh look, there's another bird. Lots and lots and lots of birds in the African side. And this is how high we are. All the way down there. Glad we've got something to stand on. So here we are again, and this is the Asia Bird Park area. I won't be doing too much more videoing in here because my phone's running out of battery. But I just thought you might like to see this big stone dragon. Look at that. Pretty amazing. Like seeing these sorts of things. And there's Pa in the background. Wave, Pa. Hey, kids. See you later. We're in mysterious Papua. Look what they have. Oh. Look at this, kids. Wow. Oh, and he flew away. We'll have a look down here. And there he is. Oh, he's going for some food. He's chased off the other birds. Naughty. Look at that. You were lucky you saw him flying. Lots of other birds, but oh, he's very beautiful. Amazonian jewel. This is a very beautiful park. Lots of beautiful birds in here. But a lot of them are asleep at the moment. Yes, look at those beautiful birds over there. Hopefully we can find, and look what's going on in front of Grandma. Pa's already there with his camera. Oh, there is birds everywhere. Look at this. Making lots and lots of flamingos. Here they come. Look at them all. Aren't they beautiful? They just run towards you. Look, watch where Grandma's going next. We're going to go and have a look at these parrots. Pa's already there at the moment. We're going to walk around the corner. Hopefully they'll stay where they are, so we can see them. Look at all these parrots. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at them all. Oh, absolutely. And listen to the noise. There's little ones in the tree. Oh, how stunning. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Oh. We'll go and have a look just up here. Look at these ones. Oh. Then we walk a little bit further. And we're going to have a look at those bright birds in the background. I think this is probably as close as I can get without losing my shot. There we go. Look at those. Oh, it's so amazing in here, kids. They're having their lunch now. I think that's a very good idea. I think Ma and Pa might be going and having lunch too. Yes. Oh, goodness, look at that. Beautiful flying. Oh, wow. It's amazing to see these birds. Oh, we're so lucky. So lucky. And look at all the people looking after them. I thought I'd video this so you could hear the noise of the water. It's amazing. There we go. Up. Oh, look out there. Amazingly beautiful. And the ducks in the water. I'd video them just once more because they're absolutely gorgeous. And if you look up in the background, there are some light pink birds. These ones are scarlet ibis. Yeah, the beautiful birds. Oh, I've got that one flying right past me. Look at these beautiful birds. I'm going to walk round. I'm going to get some of the blue ones. I thought I got these earlier, but my video did not take. So we're going to do it again. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? Yes, hopefully I can get to see them. Oh, look at all those big blue parrots. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're feeding them now. Absolutely beautiful. They're flying in, flying around. Shame I didn't get the one I got earlier because that was one of the big blue ones flying. Oh, they're all excited. Look at all the flamingos here. Beautiful. Look at that.